Hey guys, hey everybody. All right, you guys, I have the best listing that is hitting the market. Seriously, amazing. If you are looking for a home that is on an acre of land, no HOA, no CDD, you can bring horses, it's zoned A1 for agriculture, you can have it. Ready? Seriously, right now, write down my number, 941-404-2097. Jeanine Colavecchi with MVP Realty with the Jeanine Colavecchi group. All right, so let me just show you the good stuff because this is amazing. And if you know me, you know that I love it first because of the color of the house. It is my color, so I almost was tempted to buy it. So ready? Hold on, ready? I'll talk about it as I show you. All right, you guys, look at this. Amazing, amazing. So this is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and it is 3724 square feet under air, but then in total, it's like 5673 square feet. This is a huge home, completely updated. You have to see the master bath. It is amazing. Something out of like, I don't know, a show Cribs or something. It is so amazing. All right, so right when you walk in, immediately you're gonna fall in love with the very open floor plan. So open and beautiful. You have these beautiful stairs right when you walk in. We're shooting photos right now, so you might see my husband, who's the photographer. So very open, all updated. Stainless steel appliances. Oh my gosh, granite. I mean, it is to the max here. There's the upstairs. So the master is on the bottom floor, and then the rest of the bedrooms are on the second floor. But you can see beautiful flooring, really big vaulted, really tall vaulted ceilings, lots of space for entertaining. Wow. All of the fans and the lights. Very high-end stuff, so nice. Now this bathroom, let me just tell you, and all you see out your master window is trees and acreage. It's so beautiful. So the 2 huge walk-in closets here with built-ins. With built-in for your clothes. And then this master bath is just amazing. Walk-in shower, ready for it. And then you have this gorgeous standalone tub. That's amazing for after a long day of work, get your little bubble bath going, so nice. You even have fans in the lights. Just shelving, cabinets from top to bottom, guys. This is the den or another office. It has these gorgeous built-ins. This closet is even deeper. It goes underneath the stairs. So nice. You have the half bath down here. And then this is the den that has these awesome, this has this awesome built-in. So another huge loft area that you can make as a TV room. Kids playroom. You have the second bedroom in here. Huge bedrooms. The bath here, gorgeous glass. I mean, this is just beautiful. Updated. The other bedroom here. This one's a little bigger. This one is almost like another, it has a door that goes to the bath. So it has a pocket door that leads right to the bathroom here, which is nice. Another, like an in-law suite, which is cool because it's another humongous bedroom with its own private bath. Gorgeous shower. Hey guys! So again, come see us on Saturday from 1 to 5. I will put the address in this video. I mean, even this is so beautiful. I have gorgeous tile, shelving. One-car garage. Again, there are carports out there though that you could park under. And then this other space, this is the 2-car garage that was converted into an office. Right now it's a little crazy in here, but he's working like a dog, literally. Hey, working like a dog. So, this is where he does all his business stuff. But this has AC in here, split AC. And even has a little section for a refrigerator in there. So this easily could be an in-law apartment. It has its own separate door here that you could exit out of. Easily could be an in-law section as well. Guys, this is amazing. So if you want to come see this beautiful house, give me a call. I can get you in before it hits the market. If you want the VIP, 941-404-2097. And then I'm going to end with showing you the outdoor space with the covered lanai area here. Now this part is nice because it's fenced in. Barbecue section, there's an area there if you want to have gardening. Sparkling, brand new liner and everything. This pool is sparkling clean. So this part is fenced in. Look at all those gorgeous flowers hanging from the, I love these. These are so beautiful. So pretty. So plenty of room for entertaining. And then this whole other area is yours too. So right outside this area, all of this is yours. So it's all fenced in, even on the outside. And then plenty of room for storing whatever you want. Trailers, horses, RVs, boats, whatever you want.